Here's how to make a delicious raspberry and pistachio cake with Odlums. So we're going to go straight into a bowl firstly with 200 grams of caster sugar. And next we have 4 eggs. So we're just going to use our electric beater and we're going to beat this for a good 5 minutes until it doubles in volume. Okay, so once that doubles in size, then we can add in your next ingredients. Next we have 100 ml of olive oil in, and then we have 100 ml of natural yogurt in. Give those a really quick beat into that mixture. And the final 2 ingredients are 100 grams of blitzed up pistachio nuts in, and 125 grams of the new Odlums self-raising super flour. Now, so we're just going to fold this in gently with a spatula. Now, so we're just going to divide this between 2 baking tins which are greased. These go into the oven at 180 degrees and bake for 25 minutes. Now, so while they're baking in the oven, we can be making the frosting in a bowl. 200 grams of butter in, and to that we're going to add 100 grams of icing sugar. Now just give that a quick beat together. Now next we're going to add 200 grams of cream cheese to that. We're just going to get in and beat that in there. And then finally, just to lighten it, we have 100 ml of natural yogurt in. Fold that in nicely. And then you can keep that in the fridge until you're ready to decorate. Now, so we're just going to layer up the cake. So go on with 1 layer firstly, and then we're going to go on with some of that frosting. Get an offset spatula and just smooth that out. Now, so just go on with your next layer, and then go on with the rest of that frosting. And then we're just going to spread that out. Get chopped pistachio nuts, and then some delicious fresh raspberries. Scatter those, more pistachio nuts on top of those. And finally, just a nice drizzle then of white chocolate. And there you have it, a delicious raspberry and pistachio cake for this summer with Odlums.